Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is the values of y which will satisfy the equations 2x squared plus 6x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 2x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0 may be found by solving. So from this equation we get x is equal to minus y plus 3 by 2. Now on substituting x in equation 1 in this equation, we get 2 into y plus 3 whole squared by 4 minus 6 into y plus 3 by 2 plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0, or y squared plus 6y plus 9 by 2 minus 3 into y plus 3 plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. And from here we get y squared plus 6y plus 9 plus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0. Y squared plus 10y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is option C. The next question is P, Q and R are three non-negative integers such that P plus Q plus R is equal to 10. The maximum value of PQ plus QR plus PR plus PQR is. Now P plus Q plus R is equal to 10. Consider P is equal to 3, Q is equal to 3 and R is equal to 4. So then the value of P, this expression, let this be S. So then S equals 9 plus 12 plus 12 plus 36 is equal to 69. Now consider P equal to 2, Q is equal to 3 and R is equal to 5. Then we get S to be 6 plus 15 plus 10 plus 30 is equal to 61. Thus, the maximum value of the given expression is greater than or is equal to 60 and less than 70. It is option C. The next question is N, the set of natural numbers, is partitioned into subsets. S1 is equal to 1, S2 is equal to 2, 3, S3 is equal to 4, 5, 6, S4 is equal to 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Then what is the sum of the elements of the subsets S50? Now first elements of each set is equal to 1, 2, 4, 7, 11, 16 and so on. Now this series is neither an AP nor a GP, but the difference of the terms is in an AP with both the first term A is equal to 1 and common difference D is equal to 1. Hence, to find the 50th term of the original series, we have to add the sum of the 49 terms of the second series to the first term of the original series. So sum of 49 terms is equal to 49 into 50 by 2, that is equal to 1225. Therefore, the 50th term of the original series is, so 50th term is 1225 plus 1 is equal to 1226. Now, this will be the first element of the set S50, which will have 50 elements. So the last element of S50 is equal to 1226 plus 49, that is 1275. So the sum of elements in this set is equal to 50 into 1226 plus 1275 by 2, that is equal to 62525.